Come on, Tinkerbella. Come on. There you go. What's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna switch my trimmer heads. So I have the new ECHO SRM-2120 string trimmer, and it comes with this funky little head right here that I don't like. So what I'm gonna do is switch it out to a speed feed head. This is the professional choice. All my trimmers have this, whether they're battery or gas trimmers. This is my go-to trimmer head. Speed feed is amazing. I love it. I love it. So again, we're not going to make this video too long. What it is you find this little groove right here, and then you see the little hole right there. Here you go. Hopefully you can see it. We take something and stop it right there. And before you do that, this, and I knew I should have opened this up, there's a screw in here that I have to loosen. Hold on for a second here. Come on. There you go. Okay. And the head is off. So what I love about the ECHO Speed Feed is that it fits any trimmer. And I mean any trimmer, guys. If, let's say, you have another brand, they have all these pieces in here that you can switch the inside and make it fit. Okay, so then put it right here, take this head, wrong way, and put it on and tighten it. There you go. And that's it. Quick, simple, straight to the point. And by the way, I will be taking off the guard as well, so I personally don't use the guard. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to remove the guard. Now, I do not recommend this for guys who are brand spanking new in the industry, because your liability increases by tenfolds, okay, without the trimmer guard. All right, and some people say, and I don't know because I never checked it, but they say that your warranty is not valid if you don't have your trimmer guard. Not sure how it is, but you know, again, make sure you check with your dealer. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is turn this all around like so, and find that little slot right here. Stick this in. There you go. And I'm going to take the head off. And I should have done this before I switched the head, but no big deal. Put this right here, and then take these off. And like I said before, guys, make sure that you are familiar with your weed eater. And the reason I take my guard off is because it gives me a better visibility of what I'm doing, and it gives me more string out. Yes, it puts a little bit of load on your trimmer, so just keep that in mind. If you have too much string out, it will definitely put some load on your engine. So always make sure that, where's the hole? Right here. Make sure that you know what you're doing and you are familiar with it, okay? Again, I'm not telling you to do it. You're on your own with it. But that's it. That is it. Bam. All right, there you go. All right, guys, like, share, follow, subscribe, all of that good stuff. See you on the next one. Pop Smoke. Peace.